Greetings. I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. At GFE Solutions, we are constantly evolving to meet the ever-changing needs of the engineering industry. We are excited to announce the launch of our latest service, Finite Element Numerical Simulation, Static and Dynamic Analysis. The heart of our service lies in finite element numerical simulation, a powerful technique that enables us to create virtual prototypes of your engineering designs. This process allows us to delve deep into the intricacies of your projects, providing accurate insights that guide your decisions. Our static analysis services are designed to ensure the stability and integrity of your structures. We divide complex systems into manageable elements, assess loadings that act, stress distributions, and offer design optimization recommendations. With our assistance, you can make informed choices about materials, safety measures, and structural modifications. Dynamic analysis takes your capabilities to the next level. We simulate real-world scenarios, including vibrations, oscillations, and transient events, to let you understand how your systems respond under dynamic conditions. This is invaluable in industries where safety and reliability are paramount. FEM is the cornerstone of our simulations. We use this method to precisely model complex geometries, ensuring that your analysis is as accurate as it is insightful. Our expertise in FEM is unmatched, offering you unparalleled analysis capabilities, also for fluids, gases, or sounds. Beyond analysis, you may get from us recommendations how to mitigate risks and enhance safety. This proactive approach protects you from costly failures and optimizes your investments. With half a decade of experience serving the German market, we have a profound understanding of local regulations and standards. This ensures compliance and excellence in every project we undertake. In our opinion, no two projects are the same. That's why our simulations are customized to align with your specific requirements. We work closely with you to define project goals and parameters, ensuring that your received analysis addresses your unique challenges and objectives. At GFE Solutions, we don't just offer engineering analysis, we provide a pathway to engineering excellence. Trust us as your partner in navigating the complexities of design, safety, and efficiency with unmatched precision. Reach out to us today, and let's embark on a journey to elevate your engineering projects to new heights.